In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products on ClickFunnels. So as you can see, I am in the ClickFunnels website right now. And if you have, for example, an ebook or a course or another digital product that you want to sell through your ClickFunnels site or funnel, here's how you can do it. So what you want to do first is go ahead and click on products right here. Now you can click on create product in the top right. And here you can select digital product. Now you can give your product a name. So for example, course. You can give it a description here, and then you can click on create product. So now you can choose how much it costs. So for example, $100. Then you can set the price. So now here again, you can add your description. You can add in your images. You can change the pricing if you want. You can choose to include inventory and shipping, but this is probably not needed for a digital product. Now you can choose purchase actions. So for example, if you are selling a course, you can select course access. Then you can click on plus right here, and now you can publish a course. So if you want to learn how to publish a course, you can go right here and they will teach you how to publish a course in ClickFunnels. But you can also do a digital asset access, for example, an ebook, and then you just want to upload the ebook. So you can click on new digital asset, and you can also do a community access. There you can add variants, you can do the SEO and sharing. And then once you're done, you can click on update product and then it will be done. So now you have created your digital product. So now you just want to go ahead and add this digital product to your website or funnel in ClickFunnels. And then for example, if you add it to this product that they get course access when they purchase the product, then that will be done by ClickFunnels. So that's how to sell digital products on ClickFunnels. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.